Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. We're here on the long-term chart. We just want to make you aware of the larger degree support area, which is between $1.21 and $2.09, and we're still holding it. And from here, the market could start a fifth wave to the upside. The market on Monday dipped into the correction area, or into the support area in quite a sharp correction, I should rather say, held it and moved up. And we are now watching for signals that wave 5 have started. This could happen from this region, but we don't have strong evidence for it at this stage. But I will show you on the smaller time frame what I want to see to confirm that a low has formed in this yellow wave 4. Because as an alternative pathway, it could easily still extend the wave 4. I mentioned in a previous update that this could simply be some kind of a sideways range here that we're dealing with support between 121 and resistance. So basically the range boundary is 121 and $4.20. And it could be that we just spent quite some time in this range. So it could just be a great paradise for range traders here. For now, though, the pullback is corrective and it is definitely a healthy wave 4. And I wouldn't mind if the price starts to go up and starts a wave 5 from here. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Before we do that, quick info for everybody who is not aware, but we launched this week our MCO Global channel, our main channel, our new main channel, where you'll find different types of content. For example, today I showed you an in-depth analysis about the long-term chart for Bitcoin and how it could be impacted by the US Strategic Reserve. Yesterday I covered the S&P 500, before that strategy, MicroStrategy, and before that the Nasdaq and Bitcoin. Check it out if you're interested. I'll link it in the video description. But again, it will be the new main channel. Looking at the smaller time frame, this is now where it's getting interesting. I have absolutely no evidence a low is in. However, the price broke above our trend line, which was an early signal, right? So we broke above this trend line. We had this recovery on Monday. So between the Monday low and the Monday high, significant recovery, and the price found support at this previous breakout point from December. Yeah, and then the price found support around 195 several times. So this is a key support level, and again on Monday. The rally, though, is not really impulsive. Technically, it's not impulsive, and we started a decline. You know, we're sort of just in this correction. My take is now that this looks more like a 5-wave move in a leading diagonal down. So it could be an A wave. This now might be a B wave. And we could get another C wave down. It's all about what the price does here now. As long as the rally and the reaction to support is a 3-wave move, I'm not convinced that a low has formed, okay? It's possible. That's why we have the box. The price dipped into the area and already rallied out of it, but not really great performance yet. I've added a micro resistance area to the chart, which is between $2.51 and $2.72. Might be worth watching this area, and it takes a break above the resistance area at 272, followed by a break above the Monday high to really suggest the next larger rally has started. Then the focus can shift to the 340 level, but for now we are still in the range. And as long as the rally is only in 3 waves, not in 5, and as long as we are not even breaking above Fibonacci resistance, I'm not convinced a low is in. What could easily happen is that this is the first leg of the correction, and the correction of the correction is this move, should form a lower high, and then another move down. That is absolutely possible, and it's still reasonable to expect possibly an upside reversal from here, even if it's just a larger correction that's unfolding here, because the A wave wasn't very deep. So if the B wave is at least somewhat healthy, there's a chance that the C wave will hold above the key support here for the bulls at $1.95. What I'd like to avoid is that the price breaks below $1.95. It would be more immediately bearish. But again, then the focus will simply shift back to the support area that we're tracking on the daily time frame between $1.21 and $2.09. So overall, as long as this is just a 3-wave move up, I remain skeptical about the idea that we could have bottomed here already. It's possible. I've marked it with a question mark for now. Probabilities would increase above 272. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye bye.